Howdy everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video we're gonna if you read the title you pretty much know, but today we're just gonna be, let's just say, getting some new stuff and some old stuff. The only thing that's really different here is that I got some blue drain rock in here. Nice gravel in here. Just went a little bit around this stump, see if we can grow a little sapling like this. A little bit of drain rock here as like a gravel driveway. And, if you read the title, you know what we're getting. We're getting a Bobcat brand skid steer. And we're also getting an equipment trailer. I know we have like so many useless trailers that we just don't use. I'm a trailer guy. I like trailers, but this one's old. This is like real old. I'm not sure which truck I want to take. I want to take this thing. I haven't been going to work every day here. I haven't been running this thing much. Look forward to off-roading soon when it gets into rainy weather. Right now it's only springtime. Winter's going to be very fun. We're going to hop in this thing. Whoa, far view. Start her up. Listen to this thing. Oh yeah, I bet you heard that a lot. It's probably warmed up. They don't need much warm-up time. Oh yeah, also, we had some new neighbors move in. They got some fancy car. It's one freaking fancy car. They won't mind if I turn around in their driveway. Okay. So what really got me into the idea of starting, well, there's two things that got me into the idea of starting a landscaping company. This crazy freaking T590 Bobcat, lifted up, wide track, giant long forks. With this landscaping company, they're doing some work around here on this shop. They're doing some work around here across the street. I was just looking at this thing every night and I'm like, dang. Also, I'm just thinking about it, quitting my job at Flat Valley. It hasn't been too good to me lately. And if I always had this dream of having a landscaping company. So I'm buying this Bobcat. Probably gonna be part of the landscaping company, but I don't know. So first comes the equipment trailer. And this is in an odd spot. It's like in the forest, but not in the forest. So, I kind of forget where it is. I think it's gonna go over here. Oh, this thing accelerates good. I think it's over here. They said it was really close. They're both really close to here. Yeah, there's that neighbor. Bruh. I think it's, oh, there it is. I don't think you saw that. But I'm just gonna drive around here. Just gonna drive around here. Oh, there's Flat Valley. It's got a cornfield around it. Calm, good old Flat Valley. I know it's back here in the bushes, so I'm just getting ready and backing up to it. Jump out and check this thing out. It's incredibly rusty. Look at this. Rust never sleeps. That's what the old man said when I bought it. Rust never sleeps, man. It's been out here for like 25 years. And like this old cottage shack thingamabob looks really creepy. Hop in. Don't know how I'm gonna back this up. All these trees are in the way. Whoa. When I saw, yep, it's jammed against this tree. I'm gonna have to back it out. It's not gonna be very fun. Especially because my truck is... Oh boy. I have a wide freaking track. I'm gonna try going... I just bumped into a tree. This is not going very good for my new trailer here. Spin the tires. Go this way. Wait, what am I hitting? I really don't know why the person even thought about parking it here, or try to move it. Ugh. Oh boy. Or when they oh yeah. My suspicion is when they moved to here, some of these trees weren't here. I'm burning rubber there. Come on, baby. I don't want to have to. Oh, I'm tired of stuff pushing. I think I can haul it out here. I really hope this thing is like road legal. I should have checked the tire pressure. Tire pressure looks good. Said he filled it up 3 weeks ago when he put it on for sale, but I'm highly surprised I pulled it out of there that easy. I don't know where I'm gonna put this. Maybe I'll rent a space to put all this stuff. Oh boy, this is not intended for me to do that, but I'm gonna go for it. Oh yeah. And there's that feed mixer. Funny thing. Just checking out these tires. Why is one of them not spinning? Whoa. Oh, that was very sorry about that. Wasn't intended. I was thinking about getting an old gooseneck. There's one for sale, but it was hell expensive. Don't mean to say that. Sorry about that, but it's really expensive. Honestly, I forget what this Bobcat is. So this Bobcat is a T590. I wish it was a 95 because I have a 95. I think it's in one of these sheds that looks exactly like this. I think it's this one. See that shed right there? Ooh, it looks exactly like that. If I go into somebody's field, they ain't gonna be happy. I think it's right here. This is where he said. Oh man. It's got a bucket and forks for me. That's the inside view here. Okay. Unfold the ramps. Actually, let's turn off the engine for now. Run over here. It's gonna be slightly a shorter video like last video. I'm really sorry I haven't uploaded in so long. It's just been, there's been a lot. So we have our Bobcat brand pallet forks, long version. We have our bucket, and we can buy other attachments online, stuff like that. Bobcat. Shout out to CSM Modding for making this mod. It's a good mod. Good mod. Okay, we're gonna hop in here. Just ignore that thing. It's a pallet and a bucket. Something bad happens if I hook them both up at the same time. This thing is super. See right there on the attacher how those things go up and down? The locks are super like fancy. Whoa. I've hardly ever driven one of these things. Whoa. I think I'm just gonna drop the bucket there. Just so it's easier on me to do this. Maybe since this has quick attach, I'll do this. Lower it down. Whoa. Fold those up. On top of that. Go over here to this one. Hook this one up. With a lockman thing. These are strappable, which is really good. Whoa. This thing's about a year old. It's not brand new. I wish I could just go to the dealer and pick it up smelling new and stuff like that, but it's not brand new, sadly. But no worries. Unlock the pins. Drop that off right there. I'm gonna hop out, see if I can strap this down. Nice and strapped down. Two straps on it, probably good. Ain't going nowhere. See what type of spins I can do in this thing. Connect, hold down. These are the extra long pallet parts. I especially was lucky because the guy who I bought this from had them. They're Bobcat brand. The other one is, the bucket is off brand. But these are original from the Bobcat place. Let's see how low I can start her off here. This thing's nice. I'm really excited to use this. Strap it down. Oh man, oh boy. This thing's only got a few strappers. Strap, oh no. Strap, and strap. Okie dokie. What is happening with the strap? Please tell me. Oh gosh. I don't think it's going anywhere. These are good ratchet straps. I would say that's kind of concerning on a normal day, but this K30, I mean, C70, oh, I'm so sorry, Chevy lovers. This C70 can handle it. Oh, yeah. My neighbor has a K30, I'm just looking at it, so yeah. Oh, yeah, let's get going. Oh, yeah, it handles it like a breeze. Honestly, nobody would mind as long as they don't mess up no crops. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Review our load. Load looks good. It ain't going nowhere. Maybe I'll try some inside view while hauling. Whoa! Boy, oh boy. Come on, really? Rust never sleeps, man. It's a pretty much brand new Bobcat on a rusty old trailer. I'm gonna go for this here. We're gonna be in the outside lane because we're not fast anymore. Usually we're pretty fast. I'm highly surprised that there's only one wheel spinning. See that? We're actually pretty fast. I think I need more tongue weight. It's barely hovering above the ground. Probably not a great sign. Just honking at my boss here. He's working on the weekend, which is absurd. He's just all day, working all night. Working. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I don't know what. I'm gonna have to get on the phone. I know that. I need to find out what I can do with this. I bet those guys are gonna be like, dang, he got them Bobcat, man. Yo, whoa. I'm gonna turn around here. This is kind of sketchy, but don't want to turn too tight. Whoa. I think I can make it. Nope. Gosh, I'm so close. Come on. Yeah. I need outside view for this. Especially because I'm going to be doing something very sad. I'm going to be pushing my garbage can out of the way. Oh, don't tell me, like, oh, garbage can. I'm sorry, man. I had to do this. I really had to do this. I'm very sorry, garbage can man. I can't turn now. No. The Chevy man can. And I can pick up my garbage can and put it on the old shed. Okay, we're just gonna pull out of the way here. I don't know when we're gonna use it, how we're gonna use it, or anything like that, but don't want to hit the light post. Oh boy, he's gonna be jealous. Ha, man. I know, but like, shouldn't be jealous because he has a nicer Bobcat than me. I honestly didn't know that I was gonna be getting the same type of. Honestly, after that Kubota skid steer, I was gonna get Kubota, but the only Kubotas for sale were long driving. I'm not a big fan of driving long way. Love the sound of that thing. Oh, we're getting a little dirty here. Definitely getting a little dirty. Maybe I'll have to go to the rental place and rent some pressure washer. And a nice old pressure washer. Actually, I'm just giving myself a good idea. I'm gonna rent a pressure washer. That is just a jolly idea. But maybe I'll save that jolly idea for next episode. So thank you all for watching this episode. Just, if you like it, please leave a thumbs up, smash the like button, subscribe if you enjoy and want to see more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you back next time. Thanks.